What is up, everybody? It's your boy Limited Snipers back again with another video. I know I've been known as Kid Friendly Bamboo 88, Bamboo Bunch, all that stuff, all that good stuff. But you know what? There's something that I need to tell you guys. You know how back then I was just a sad little lonely YouTuber, right? You know, I had so many accounts back then. I was doing fine. I was doing fantastic, you know. I was just sad. I didn't have anyone, with me, and I was just the same old YouTuber over and over and over, and I always kept changing my name. But guess what, guys? That all changes now. I'm not gonna be the same YouTuber that you knew way back in the day, okay? This time, I'm different. Right in this house, you see this house right here? You see this house with this little fence? You see this little house? Right inside this little house is someone that has done something for me. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. You're thinking, boy, Limited, what are you thinking? Well, I'm not really thinking, right? You're thinking, oh, well, this is not something, right? You know, this is not something, okay? We are about to reveal the person. So on the count of 3, we're going to do the best thing ever. Don't look in there yet. Don't look in there yet. So, we're going to do the best thing ever. Please welcome, and since I'm not the normal YouTuber I used to be, please welcome my fans, my good old Limited Pack Squad fans. Please welcome our new person, part of the YouTube channel, and will always be CamDip1. Come on out, buddy. Come on out. It's hard for him to come out, but he's coming out. Quad. There he is. Look. Step up here, Cam. This is the new person that has joined the YouTube. He can't really talk in audio, but he can talk in game. So, this dude is now part of the YouTube channel. And like I say, guys, I know what you're thinking. You're like, boy, why is he the one that's with you? Why can't it be someone else, right? Well, let me tell you, okay? This is my friend. And right now, as it stands, you may be like, boy, you're thinking to yourself, Limited, what are you doing with yourself? Well, I can tell you something, guys. This is not just any ordinary friend. Not an ordinary friend. Is that right? You're not just any ordinary friend, are you? You are my partner. And together, guys, if we get this video right now to about 2,000 likes, me and this dude right here, my buddy in crime, my partner in crime, right? We're gonna be doing live streams, videos, etc. all day long. You got it, guys? All day long, we're gonna be doing live streams, etc. You name it, we do it. Okay? But I just wanted to get that out of the way. And Kim, do you want to say anything else before we end this to the new welcoming to the channel? You know, you welcoming. Okay, bro. Like, we don't want to add anything else. You guys have noticed I've been planning this for quite some time now. And my boy CamDip, he joined. He successfully joined the YouTube, and he's now my partner in crime. So if you guys have any questions, please comment down below, like, hey, why is there, someone, why is there someone new? Comment down below, have you known this guy for, how long have you known this guy, and etc. But otherwise, guys, I'm going to end the video. I know it's a 5-minute video, but at the same time, guys, this is just me saying, like, we're basically together, and now it's just a stream, guys. Like, so basically now what you guys know is it is out. This is the new person that I've been saving the moment to have joined my YouTube. So, Cam, how would we like to end this video off, dude? How would we like to end it off? How do we... Yep, subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a like, and comment down below. Maybe in the future, guys, I might add in maybe a third person, or I might just keep it a duo, like me and my friend Cam. Probably will just stay me and Cam for right now, because we just started, so, duo. So, Cam, type in chat, do you want this to stay duo, or do you want to add in a third? Alright, guys, it's official. We're sticking as a duo. Sorry, there's no openings. There might be in the future, maybe. But as it sticks now, we are a duo. And, you know what? No, Cam. Tell him, like, there's maybe be a chance. Guys, there might be a chance. What Cam is basically trying to say in game is there might be a chance for another person to join our YouTube channel. But for right now, it's just us. There might be a chance. Might be a chance, guys. But, as I said, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications. We love you guys, and I love you guys so much. And I will see you guys all. I love you guys so much. And Cam, get over here. I want to get a good outro with you. A good outro for the, the ending. Alright, so guys, make sure to subscribe, and yeah, yep, then at 2,000 likes, we will both dance right now, and guys, just welcome the new person to the channel. So I'm gonna end it off here, guys. Enjoy. Thanks.